Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day wey you see my channel, you are welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you when I take dey come back to watch my video. Guys, if not today na the first day wey you see my channel, okay, na pidgin English na we dey talk for here. So guys, if you want to know how to prepare this delicious fried rice, so make you sit back, relax and enjoy. Trust me, this na one of the best. Okay, this fried rice, it tastes so good. So guys, for our protein we go dey use turkey. This na turkey and gizzard. I don wash am. Make sure to wash your turkey very well. Okay, I wash am. E dey very clean. So guys, after I don put am for my pot, then I come begin add my seasoning. Guys, you fit use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, you fit use any seasoning at all of your choice. I just put my curry, put thyme, put nutmeg, everything. I just add am. Okay, so I come begin. This na blended onions, ginger and the red bell pepper. Okay, na be this one I add now. Then I come put am, then I come stir. I come stir everything together. Okay, so after I don put am, then I come put water, then I come cover am, make it cook. Yeah, I come cover am, make it cook. So guys, this na like 15-20 minutes later, the meat don cook, e don ready. Then I come begin bring am out. Yeah, this na the meat, e don already cook, well cook. Then I come begin fry the turkey. Yeah, this na the turkey. I come begin dey fry am. So the gizzard, then I come begin dey slice am. This na the gizzard. Then I come begin dey slice am to this small size. Okay, yeah, so after I don slice am finish, then I come set am aside. Then I come begin slice my pepper, onions. Yeah, I come begin slice. This na the pepper and onions. I come begin slice am as well. After I don slice am, I come set am aside. So this na the turkey. Yeah, the turkey don ready. Then that na fish. Now my son I request for this fish. So guys, this na the meat stock. Then I come put fresh pepper, then onions. Yeah, this na fresh pepper and onions. I come put some. Then I come put rice. This rice I wash am very well. E dey very clean. So make sure to wash your rice very well before you add anything. Okay, then I come taste for seasoning. I come taste for salt. E just dey okay, just that the pepper no hot come out. As I say, e no hot come out, then I come put the remaining pepper. Yeah, for our house we dey eat pepper. Okay, so just put pepper anyhow wey you take want am. Okay, so this na how we dey eat am, how we dey like am. Then I come put the remaining fresh pepper. At this point I come stir again. After I don stir am again, then I come taste again, and everything just dey perfectly okay. Then I come cover am, make it cook. That na the rice, e don cook already. Then for another pot, then I come put groundnut oil. Then I come put gizzard. Yes, this na the gizzard. Then I come put am, then I come stir fry for some time. Guys, at this point my house don dey scent fried rice. So my neighbor don't know say I dey cook fried rice at this point. Then I come begin fry the gizzard. Yeah, I come fry. So after I don fry am finish, then I come remove am. Then I come set am aside. Okay, so this na onions. I come put onions for the remaining groundnut oil. Yeah, I just put onions, come begin stir again. I come stir for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I come put my veggies. Yes, wetin be fried rice without veggies? That one no be fried rice now. Then I come put my veggies. This na carrots, green beans, red, green, yellow bell pepper. Yeah, now wetin I just put now. Then I come sprinkle a little bit of salt. Yeah, I come sprinkle am put. Then I come begin stir am. I come stir for like 2 to 3 minutes. After that, then I come put gizzard. Yes, I come put a little bit of gizzard. Just share am into two. The other one I go use am for the second batch. Yeah, then I come put am, I come begin stir. Guys, check out these veggies. Fit even eat am like this sef. So yeah, after I don stir for some time, then I come put my rice. Guys, if you taste this rice tastes so good. This rice tastes so yummy. Now like this I dey like my fried rice. Trust me, if you go through this process, the fried rice go sweet, like e go sweet. Then yeah, after I don stir fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I come put am for my rubber. Check out this rice. The rice is popping. The fried rice is fried rising. God, English. So yeah, my fried rice don ready. I dey like plenty of veggies inside my fried rice. Guys, check out this rice. Check out this rice, guys. Check this rice out. This rice tastes so good. It tastes so yummy, guys. Thanks for watching. If you watch me up to this time, may you not forget to subscribe. Oh, may you like, comment, and share. So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye.